Hi, I'm Rob King and welcome to Homebrew number 53. This is quite a quick one. This is a Mexican Tepache, a fermented beverage that simply uses the peel and rind from a pineapple plus some additional sugar and some wild yeast. This is going to be interesting. Ingredients then couldn't be simpler. We're going to use the skin and rind from a pineapple, 5 litres of Ashbeck bottled water, 130 grams of brown sugar, 2 cinnamon quills, and this is optional, but we're also going to use 120 grams of erythritol. This is a non-fermentable sugar. We will start by sanitising the bucket using Chemsan. Next, we will wash the pineapple thoroughly and chop off the top and bottom. It's then down to peeling off the skin to include in the Tepache itself. We first add 5 litres of bottled water to the fermentation bucket. Measure out 130 grams of brown sugar. Add that to the fermentation bucket as well and give it all a good mix. Add the pineapple skins and the rind, not forgetting 2 cinnamon quills, and now we'll give it all a gentle mix. Cover it all with a tea towel to prevent any fruit flies getting in and ferment for 3 to 4 days. We are day 0. Day 1 and not much is going on, so we'll just give it another mix. Day 2 and we can confidently say something is going on. Day 3. We have reached day 4, this is our target zone for transfer, so we'll start by giving it all a good mix. The aroma at this point is also wonderful, pineapple-y and wonderful, and a little taste test to decide if we're going to need any additional sweetening. It's lost all its sweetness. This is now our fermented Tepache and it is time to strain out all those pieces of pineapple and the cinnamon quills. Tepache should have a natural sweetness, but some of that is missing in this recipe, so I'm going to add 120 grams of erythritol. This is a non-fermentable sugar, and give it all a good mix, of course. It's not sweet, it's taken just to allow that harshness off. Finally, it's bottling time, and I've ended up with just over 3 litres of Tepache. Not bad. It does have a bit of a funky aroma, only mildly pineapple. Very light mouthfeel, no bitterness. That touch of extra sugar took the edge off. Actually, pretty refreshing. We'll give it a little time in the bottle, see what happens. It is day 7 and we've had a few days at room temperature to just let things carbonate a little, and now we're going to start to bring down the temperature by moving to the ferminator where it is 18 degrees centigrade. Day 14 and the clarity has turned out to be wonderful, so I'm going to pop them in the fridge ready for an evaluation tomorrow. Looking good, we are ready for evaluation. That's disappointing, I was expecting some fizz. Well, this is the Tepache, or however you pronounce it. Still cloudy. Does have a wonderful sweet, slightly molasses. So that brown sugar smell's coming through, but pineapple also very clearly. There was a little fizz when we poured, so a little carbonation. Wow, this is very nice indeed. Very light, well you can see that carbonation now. So yes, it has carbonated a little in the bottle. The taste lingers in the mouth, very, very light, sweet and pineapple. Very drinkable indeed. There is just a very slight tarty taste on the aftertaste. I am liking this one. This is certainly worth a try. That sweet aroma that I was picking up, you can also, maybe because I know it's there, pick up the cinnamon. It's a lovely summer evening. Perfect drink. Cheers everyone. Please like and subscribe. Good health. Such a lovely evening, it's worth trying something else. Tepache is also suitable as a mixer. So let's find that tequila. It's been a while since I've got the tequila out. This is worth a try. Cheers. Ooh, wow, that is a nice combination. Good. Tequila definitely gives you that puckering effect when you drink it, and this does ease it off just a little bit more. I probably need a slice of lime. Back in a minute. No real difference on aroma. Ooh, wow. With a little bit of lime, it does taste a little bit more alcoholic now, but plenty mild for an easy sipping cocktail. That's a good addition, I have to say. Cheers everyone, happy homebrewing. Like and subscribe, and check in again. This is worth a try. We are day 30, it's been a couple more weeks and things have cleared up even further. It's also a little more lively than I was expecting too. There's certainly no question about the level of carbonation in this one, though we've lost some of that clarity where it's stirred up some yeast from the bottom of the bottle. Mind you, I'm still liking that colour. Having mopped up my mess, we're having a bit of a picnic. That white foamy head is looking rather enticing too. Oh, totally drinkable. Very nice indeed. Shame I lost a third of it. Better put the last one in the fridge. As far as the Homebrew Masterplan is concerned though, we're in a bit of a bottleneck. As you can see, I have a mass of video editing to do to cover the Tepache, the Punk IPA, the 1901 Turbo Cider, and also the very wonderful Ordinary Bitter. And meanwhile, on the left of the page, there is absolutely nothing in fermentation conditioning, or particularly anything going on at all. But that is all going to change on the bank holiday weekend at the end of August. I am going to do an American cream ale, but not just one cream ale. This is going to be a split batch with lime and without. I am looking forward to getting the old brew kettle out again very soon. Meanwhile, check out some of the other videos, particularly the Punk IPA. That's not only a winner, but was my 50th homebrew. Check it out. Cheers.